here. This over here. It feels. It feels like I don't know, like wasted or something. It feels like over exerted. So, well, I still have so much. I have so much work left. I have so much work left. I woke up late and it's really hard to. Look, today I worked, I ate, I went to the gym, back to work, I ate some more, and but I wake up very late. That's true. I woke up at 11 in the morning because I could not sleep. Yeah, you may say I'm like 3 hours shifted because you may say if I woke up at 8, then instead of 11, then now instead of 9, it would be 6 p.m. That would mean that, and I still have to work 3 hours more, 3 hours and 10 minutes more. That would mean I need to work until 12:15, 12 or 12:10, 10 minutes past 12. And that would mean until 9 if I woke up early. Then I would have what? 3 hours basically, 2 hours. Assuming I go to sleep at 11. 2 hours left in the day. I really don't have time to do anything else. It's hard to manage the time when you work from home because if you go to the office, you go there maybe at 9, take half an hour for lunch break, and then you leave at 5:30. So no matter what, it's gonna be 8 hours work, and you don't really work 8 hours in a row. You don't really work 8 hours in a row. You take breaks. When you're at home, I mean, if you take a 5 minutes break or a toilet break or something like that, I have a clock. I have a watch. I have a stopwatch in my phone. And this stopwatch counts my work time. So I aim to 8 hours a day. And I don't always have this stopwatch on. I don't always have it on. I usually have it on, but if I take a long break, then I stop it, of course. If it's a lunch break, I stop it. And if I have to do some chores, if I need to stop more than like say 10 minutes, I stop it. And like the same as if I was in an office. If it's an office break, like a coffee break, 5 minutes, something like that. Sometimes a break to take a short walk around the building, maybe something like that. I don't really do that, although I should. It's you should take breaks. In the office, if you're working, you don't just work 8 hours straight. That's inefficient, that's unproductive, that's dumb, and I guarantee that you are not doing that. So it's very easy when you are working from home to just stop it's very easy to go over the 8 hours because it's easy to break the 8 hours into chunks, and in the end you're working a little bit, you take a little break, you're working a little bit more, and then in the end you start working, and then when you finish you sometimes realize it's almost bedtime. What happened? Where is my free time? So it's hard to be disciplined working from home. It's really hard because as a developer I don't have like a schedule. I don't have office hours, something like that. I work when I want. I work when I want. I mean, I could shift to 6 hours a day, I guess, if I wanted to. 8 hours sometimes feels like it's a bit too long. The last 2 hours sometimes is like, gosh, I'm a bit slower. Anyway, let's do some work, shall we? So here I'm told that there's an issue here, and the issue is that this area label doesn't point to anything. Of course, right? Is this the error? Target for the reference does not exist. So can I? Let's just Google this thing for a second. Oh, my arm feels really under stress. Even lying my arm down the table, I should be like sleeping or something like that. Even lying down my arm in the table feels stressful. Should this tab, what is this, tab list, should a tab list have a title? Should a tab list have a title? No, man. Ugh. Well, you know where the answer could be? In the patterns. Here we go and search for tabs. In the tabs we have a tab list. I want the example. Just go to the example. My arm hurts. Rolled area labeled by, yes, there is a label. It should have a label. I guess I could have this component has the title here, tag, class. What if I do this? ID, page title. Yep, that fixes it. This page title level, hold on. Maybe I should go to title breadcrumb and add, so we have page title level, page title ID, maybe public page title ID, page title, let's copy the value. Page title ID, This is optional. And what happens if I do this? ID class and let's go here and do this page title ID, something like this. If I do this, does it work? Wait, what? Why it doesn't work? Am I in the right place? Am I in the right place? Site term. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. This is a page title ID. Because I made a typo. That's why. I see. Should always copy the. Now it's here. Now it's here. And now, well, now we have fixed this problem. Now we fix this problem. And if I comment this out, then it's here again. Okay, so it's worked. It works. Fix missing title ID by having page title breadcrumb component accept additional prop. What do I do with my arm? I wish I could work with my mind or something, because it doesn't hurt a lot. It just feels a bit. It doesn't hurt, but it feels really tired. Like I really want to not do anything with my arm now. God damn it, that I have to work more time. I could work in the weekend. I don't want to do that. I don't want to postpone work. I don't want to postpone work. My shoulder feels very, like, I don't know, destroyed. The muscle feels destroyed. Okay, what's the other issue here? This is fix. Oops. Yeah, I see. Correct. Oops. Easy fix. Easy fix. Up. Typo. On page admin file update, the heading is update should be there is space between file. Okay, that's a good catch. Probably. Ooh. Huh? Okay. That's yeah, okay, that's admin file. Up. Date file, there you go. Update file. That's a good catch. That's a good catch. Okay, let's go. Update. Let's do this because there's gonna be a lot more of this. Date, author, update, dataset. It's whatever. author. Um, the rest are good. I think if he found that, he would probably have found the rest. So it's fine. Fix typo. There you go. Keen eye feels so corporate. I don't want to use this expression. Thanks for your. I don't want to say keen eye, although that's the only thing that comes to mind now. Keen eye, but I don't want to say keen eye because it's a typical thing that you put in a job offer. I don't like that. It feels corporate. Thanks, and I don't want to sound corporate, like I'm using some jargon or something, or it's like it's like a protocol. I am genuine. I want to genuinely thank him for because he picked some things. Okay, so what about this? Nice catches. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, this is one PR. This is one PR. God damn it. All right, so that was it. This is gonna be 5 hours in total, a little bit more. Okay. Oof. Problem is I am a bit tired. Of course I'm a bit tired. Yeah, 5 minutes break for sure. Okay. Okay. So let's. What about the other messages? I'm stuffing myself with peanut butter. I used to not like it, but I'm getting the taste. I'm getting possessed by the taste of peanut butter and how cheap it is. How many proteins it has. Protein. 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 If in the metadata stage user click replace button, that should open the API screen stage filled with some metadata so that a file a user would drop on the screen will have those metadata associated with it. I don't know if API can do that exactly. I have the feeling it would have that flexibility, but I need to go through the docs. But that's only okay. So let's write down some tasks here that I should probably perform, and let's kind of delete all this, I think. Yeah, let's delete this thing. So I should read API docs. Definitely. I should definitely read API docs. But I have the other part is to have the metadata screen shown to the returning user if they already have uploaded files. Correct. Instead of always showing the API uploader first. Yeah. Well, I think this can be achieved. easily achieved by simply okay, let's go to the gosh, let's go to the feature. What's the 1619 1619? Here I have to find now. I think it's one of those. Files annotate, this was here already. And then we have files upload. delete the old file, load the new file, sync the old and before wanted to before there'll be code. Add this. That's where I think. I think. I think this is the way to do it. So this stays on hold. Still, this stays on hold. Let's see what other emails. This is the same. This is the mention, and this is the integration branch. So I can just continue with the work. Yes, let's go. Out. Let's go to the issues. Let's also check what is the last PR. Who's the last PR? This is the last PR. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's sleepy time. I should not be sleepy. I think it's lack of vitamins or something. I have no idea. It's like I want to work, but I kind of feel sleepy all the time. There's gotta be vitamins. I have to check. I have to check my vitamins. Or maybe I drink too much coffee. You know what? Maybe that's the issue. I drink coffee, so I cannot properly sleep at night. I do sleep, but maybe I don't sleep as well or as deeply as I could. So maybe I'm never fully recovered, and I'm dragging this kind of never-ending sleep. Because now, well, I usually solve this with a nap, but it's now it's too late for a nap. If I take a nap now, I'm gonna not be able to sleep later. But like I sleep for 1 hour sometimes if I'm sleeping during the day. That helps a lot. So that's the last PR for this issue, which is 1607. So now I'm just pushing forward because I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I would love to stop working now and watch Demon Slayer. I'm watching Demon Slayer first season. I feel like just sitting down and in the couch and or in the bed and just chilling. I don't feel to have quite the energy for working now. I want to chill, but I can't because I can't. I need to work for 2 hours and a half more. 2 hours and a half more. It's like, what do I do? Drink a lot of water. Let's drink a lot of water. I really don't like to work at this time of the day. I should wake up at 8, stop working at 6 or 5, then go to the eat, have lunch break and also eat some more, go to the gym, be back at 7, well, realistically at 8, and then eat again, and then just relax. So play video games or watch something for couple hours and then go to bed. Yeah, that's. But figure out it's like 2 hours left in the day. 2 hours left to just relax. It's not much, but I consider myself decently paid. I think my salary is decent, so I can't really complain. If I had a low salary, it could be miserable. But first of all, I like this job. I don't have to go anywhere to work. I work from from home, quote unquote home, the apartment. I work whenever I want. There's no control. Yeah, so it's a really good job. Can't really complain. So okay, but the question here is what I'm gonna do next. The D means done, so all this is done. Oh, this one, yes, sure. I was doing this thing. 1618. 1618. Yep, 1618. 1618. Which means that when I am in the. Oh wow. I actually need to just run it. Now it's fixed. And what I need to do is the watcher, the watch view. Yes, maybe. I mean, so if I go here, and then I check one of those. Then I'm gonna Oh, cannot change this thing. Why not? Oh, because it's published already. That's why. So check. Go to one unpublished. Okay. I guess this one. Yeah, here I can check. I can check it. I select this one. When I click save, an email is sent. So let's keep things simple. If I select data pending, I want to have for now I want to have an email body here, like an additional input. Let's add an additional input there, and let's figure out how this whole thing is configured also, because here I have this dataset update, which renders the form. So check the form, and this form, well, this just renders the form that I'm seeing in the page, but this thing has a controller render, which renders the update, which passes a model here, and then so this would go first in the order: the controller, the page, and the form, the partial. Now I think maybe this can intercept post requests or not. Yeah. Action clear image file. Action remove image. Action mint. Probably this has all the action this is gonna send a post request to this URL, and the payload is gonna be the form data. So I need to find this should be the controller, I guess. Post. How many post things are there here? Well, quite a lot. Yeah, there are quite a lot. There are quite a lot. Oh yeah, that was the thing. That's how I found it. I gotta look for data pending. Data pending. Here it is. Here it is. So, there is an action. Hold on. For public action update. Updates dataset object from web form. If update is successful, blah blah blah. This action update. From where is this called, by the way? Oops. Action update. This is where more knowledge about Yi, about the Yi framework would be useful, because this is where there is some magic happening. There is a function defined here, action update. Maybe ask ChatGPT, I guess. In a Yi controller, what does the function action update do? It's gonna, well, here it says it updates the dataset object from web form. That's basically what it does. So this is gonna run when the post request comes in. It's gonna run when the post request comes. So we're gonna have switch is there is some magic value here, post. And this post has the form content. It's gotta have the form content, this thing, because the post is there is a dataset thing here. There is a dataset key. Why? I'm gonna assume this gotta contain the post, the form data. It does, because this is the form data, and so I gotta have to add. Let's add in the what is going on here? Let's go to the form. Let's find basically the 1, 2, 3, 4 upload status. Let's add another. Let's add an input here. I don't care about how input type. No, let's make it a text area. Text area. Let's give it. Maybe I should just copy. This thing. Copy element. Copy outer. I guess copy. Not sure what's the difference between element and outer HTML. Put this thing here. Class span whatever. I don't care. Calls margin top name dataset. Let's call it custom email body. ID dataset. Yeah, let's pick that thing. Well, now, how to describe not what? What? Oh, that's I get it. That's the value of the thing? That's strange. So I do this thing, then I refresh this thing, and I should have another. There you go. I just want this to be smaller. Let's replicate this thing, but let's simply what even happens here? Let's do this. Let's remove this thing. Let's remove this thing. Let's remove this thing. Let's customized email. What about making it a div like this? Why is the tabulation so bad? Control label. Why on earth is the tabulation so bad? Okay, yeah, let's do this. Let's remove this thing. Let's maybe I guess say what is happening here. Line exceeds. Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, should be a bit better now. I mean, it's a kind of a waste of time, but yeah, okay. So lorem ipsum dollar seed amit. Now, yeah, let's pick this one. And now save this thing, and if I go to the, this is not necessary. If I go here and I how do I echo print value on print value on the log value? What? What? How to log a text value in PHP? How is it? How to log a text file and input, blah blah blah. Require ons. No. Is it either var dump or log PHP? PGP, no, PHP log. There is a log function. Echo log. No. Oh. Error log. No. Okay, I surrender. What is happening here? What is going on here? Is ChatGPT down? Yeah, I know this one. Post dataset. If I look at the page, oh, it's because it has this thing. I get it. I see. What about this? Damn, this is so unintuitive. Or what? I'm so confused. How does it work? How does this even work? Post datasets. Let's. I mean, obviously this is correct. It should be correct. I think this is gonna run only when I send. I can do this break. Lorem, la la la, and of course I'm not gonna see this in the I think this is because of this. This is not worries. I'm not gonna see this here. I'm gonna see this in the Docker container logs. And this is gonna be, I think, in the application logs. I'm not sure, but let's see. Huh? Huh? This is from yesterday. Okay. So I really don't know what container runs that. Maybe this one? This is from today, from when I run that thing. Yeah. I think I should print something else also. Something that helps me find this var. There was something like log. I just don't remember. Maybe it's just log. I'm not sure, man. But I know I should see this thing. Bar dump. Let's do like this. 4x's. And this, sure. So if I refresh this thing, okay, and do lo 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 la 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 wololo. Okay, so I send this, and I see that something run here, something with RSS. Okay, I don't see this bar dump thing here, so it may not be this one. Worker, GigaDB, worker, bin. This is not application, it's maybe this public. Not really. Maybe the no, this is the foo, by the way. This is not the thing. Maybe it's like some admin thingy. Admin. Foo, okay. So what is this running? Where is this running? It should be in the Docker container. Maybe here? I don't know. Not here. Well, let's just look one by one, I guess. I checked this already, I think. We have this, which I already checked also. I think I already checked this one. Also check this one. Okay. Maybe here, not here. Database, no, I don't think so. Tools, no, it shouldn't be this one. Application, I don't think. No. Nope. Watcher. Nope. There are no more. How can... How to log things in G controller. Glog, maybe. Glog. What about this? Let's do something here. Let's remove this thing. Let's comment this out because it's kind of useful to have this thing. Let's go here in the action update. Glog. Sure, let's log this thing. And if I render this thing, if I save this thing, does it? Okay, my money, honestly, my money is on the... My money is still on the application. But no, it did not. It did not. If my money is not on the application, then it's gotta be on the on the web. But it's not here. It's not. And it doesn't make sense if it was in the console. It really should be... I think it should be the logs of the server, right? It should be logged in the server. Here? I don't think so, no? Could this be outdated or something somehow? Like, I don't know. Could these containers be somehow like... No, these are the containers. They are not outdated. This is what is running. That's the problem, where when I'm tired, my brain is not working so fast. I believe this glog would work. If it's not working there, it should be working. Render here, I guess. Yes, yeah. There is even a glog here. There is a glog here. Lorem. Message level category. Of course you cannot give me an example of this. Info. Let's make info. Okay, this is gonna be rendered. I refresh that page. Should be. I mean, that's easier to handle. And I mean, come on, man. How can this be not here? So it's application or web. It's not here either. No. It's in the console. No, it should not. It should not be in the console. It couldn't make sense if it's in the console. There is something here which is not found. Fair enough. Where is it locked? This thing. I'm so confused because I should see this. I should see these logs. Can't I? No, this is remote containers. If I could just search in all the error logs. Instead, I have to go one by one. It should be. Not here. Come on, it's not gonna be here either. Not gonna be here either. Not there, for sure. Yeah, not here either. It's not gonna be any of this. I really thought Chrome installed. No, come on, man. GDB worker, not either. Not either. And what about if I click here? Oh, okay. Whoa, what is this thing? Is this all the combined logs? Don't tell me this is all the combined logs. This might be all the combined logs. But then what I don't understand is, okay, what about var dump? Ipsum. Oh, okay, I see this thing. This is being dumped. This is being dumped there. String 5 Ipsum. Really? If I log something. Wait. But that means that if I okay, so let's take this thing here. Let's remove this log because apparently it doesn't do anything. Let's I swear I'm so confused. We have this thing here. Okay. Let's actually put it on the top. There is a glog here. Screw with this, out with this. We have this bar dump, and then we just do, what if we just do return? Then nothing else happens, okay? Now refresh the, unexpected end of file. Is it because of this? Yeah, it's because of that. Cannot return here. Cannot return here, apparently. Why? This does so much. Oh, because it's rendering the thing. I see. Okay, so this is, there is a moment where this is handling post request. This is handling a post request from here to down to here. This entire thing above is the post request. Okay. All this stuff. If post request return. Can I do this thing? Okay. Okay, so now I can I guess I can do this. Post data set here. Var dump ipsum. Yes. Let's do this and return. And let's yeah. And let's see what happens with that. Can I do that? Yes, apparently I can. And I save this thing, and then I see this string ipsum string 0. Refresh this thing. I said refresh this thing. What is happening here? Okay, I'm gonna refresh this thing. Then I'm gonna fill lorem xxx. Then we're gonna save. Okay, there you go. So it goes this way. I mean, I'm not familiar with PHP. Okay, I know that this is really obvious, but I'm making sure that the communication between backend and front end works as expected. I'm just making sure I can do this very simple thing. Okay, so let's get rid of this thing. And now we have here this value, basically this post. Custom email body. Content to send, data set upload, render notification, email body, data pending. Okay. Content to send. If. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. There is a typo here. Only one argument is allowed per line in a multi-line function call. Did I have this error before? Yeah. This error was here before. The initial email is function render. It's gonna be the tweak templates, and that's the target status. I see. Data pending. There should be a tweak file, which gonna have this as default value. So we're gonna go to the form. Gonna have this pre-filled. Okay, let's have this pre-filled, and this is the identifier, which you probably can get somehow. From here. Let's go to the, okay, so actually let's check the update to see how model identity, okay, easy enough. Update dataset model identifier. Go to the form, go to the here on the text area, then we replace this echo model identifier. Let's see what happens now. We have this thing, and we have to remove the extra spaces here. I guess I can do this. and this should be okay, I guess. Can I do this? Will it work? No. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, man. Yeah. The thing is that this looks horrible because there is no space here. This layout looks, I mean, obviously this is wrong. So I could shrink. I can't even select this thing. Why not? I could. That's I'm making like the simplest version of this thing that I can. There's a width here. Let's get rid of this class. No. Okay. This is not good. This is not good. Rows 8, columns 50. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I mean, let's just see if it works, shall we? Because, okay, so first of all, we have to find the folder where the emails are actually sent, which I don't know what it is. Email protected. Well, if you think about that, the email should contain this. And I need to look in the whole entire database and okay. This is these are the tests. Not the tests, actually. Tests out. There is a data pending. Yeah, my arm's still not good. My arm's still not good. I need to find where the sent emails are, because I know some emails are sent. And I just don't remember where. It was something with like backend. It's not here, no, it's none of this. It's none of this either. Maybe here? I don't think so. No. It's in a folder called email somewhere. There's so many folders here. Why are there so many folders here? Why can't I find it? Temp? What is this? I don't know. Some content here, which I don't know what it is. Okay, this is tests stuff. This is test related. What is this? Mo? I wish my arm was a bit more feeling a bit better and not so destroyed. The arm, okay, let's. I need this freaking arm. Features. It's not here. It's not in docs for sure. Maybe here? No. Data? Could be data. No, this is mock data. It's not in CSS. Artifacts. Assets? Not here. Bin? Nope. I know it's somewhere. I know it's, maybe it's here. Input exam? No. Not here. App? I think it's here. What I don't understand is... Okay, let's send this thing because I'm not sure at this point. Let's remove this thing and let's just send let's set this data pending. Okay, save. Now we have this data set with DOI thing. There should be there should be an email sent from the backend. There should be a file in the project, new file created, not committed, not included in Git, with the contents of the email. So I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's delete this thing. Let's do private. Let's do this. Let's submit. Let's go to next. Then this is set to private. Let's remove this thing and let's go to data pending. Let's do this. And now from the backend, maybe there was an error in the backend. That's why I didn't send this thing. Permission denied. Database. Web. What? Open in Visual Studio Code? Would like to... Oh, a Git repo was found. Yeah, sure. Oh, eh? Out. Gosh, I am stuck and I am so tired. I swear, people that say they work 8 hours a day and say like it's no problem. I don't think they actually know how many hours they work. I don't think they counted it. I just don't think they counted it. If you actually count the time, actually working 8 hours takes a lot of energy and a lot of time. If I give you 8 hours uninterrupted from, let's say, 9 to 5, 8 hours, you are not gonna be working all the time. 8 hours will lapse and you will think that you would have worked 8 hours, but you didn't really work 8 hours. You work less. Working 8 hours a day is actually working 8 hours a day. That's a lot. That's a lot. And now I'm stuck. So when you are stuck, maybe you imagine a little rubber ducky in front of you and talk to the rubber ducky and tell the rubber ducky what is the problem, why you are stuck. So in my case, I am stuck because I know that some emails are sent from the backend after some actions. And these emails are saved as non-committed files locally in the repo. And I know what is the expected content of these files, but they're just not being created. So that's confusing. So the most obvious thing that can happen is that the files are not some error takes place. Some error is thrown somewhere in the backend that prevents the email to be sent. And this error is caused by some change I've made. So if I stash all changes, which would be email input, custom email input, something like that. I do this, and all the changes are reset. And I go here, I reset this thing, and of course I don't have this anymore, so I'm gonna do private safe. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here again, I'm gonna go data pending. When I click save, this data pending thing is sent. Okay, updated successfully, and an email should be sent to the. An email should be sent. The content of the email should have this thing. Okay, this is now set to data pending, but it's not here. I don't understand. Where is it? Curators, email instructions, dataset upload, guides. I don't understand. I see an error. Here, but I know what this error is about, and I know it's unrelated. No, this error is unrelated. This error is because it's because of this table, in short. It's because of this table. So next thing I'm gonna try is to reset the application, basically. Remove the Docker containers, which I should see the containers being removed, yes. And then just set them up again. Thank you, Tsuki. And thank you for being here. I am actually stuck trying to figure out what's going on in the guts of this project regarding some emails that the backend should send, but it's not sending, and I'm resetting the project, restarting the project at this point. Because something may be broken, I don't know. And if this doesn't work, the next thing I'm gonna try is go to the develop branch, which is the main branch or master branch for this project, and try to replicate the issue there. Okay, so now this is working. I try to I'm gonna log out and log in again. And well, just try to replicate the issue. From here, we're gonna set it to data pending. Gonna save. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, no, I don't understand. Let's see. Let's watch the video about this feature. This information is not here. Maybe this information is in the documentation for this feature, which is here, I think. So if I look for email, there's something about email here. Nope. What about upload? File upload? No, it's not pending, it's pending. Data pending, navigate as admin, click on the upload status dropdown, you should see them all, including the ones used by the file. Oh, this data pending is used for the file upload wizard, I see. I see. I just want to remember where the emails are stored. I can't remember. Okay, I have an idea. I know the directory is called emails. What is ChatGPT broken? What is going on here? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT how to I know that I can't find a folder named email in a folder 3 in Ubuntu. Come on. Give me a command that shows the path to any folders named email in a folder. Oh my god, folder 3. Let's go. Give it to me. I'm gonna get some milk. Come on, man. What is happening here? Error in moderation. ChatGPT error. There's errors everywhere today. Your opponent's chat person attempt to make conversation safe. Okay. Oh. Yes. Someone broke it. Why can't I select text, man? Why can't I I hate this so. Why can't I select text? Yeah, so it's not working. That's great. Find folder name recursively. Find. Okay. Let's go with this. Let's go to GigaDB, exactly what I am. Yes, okay, so let's do name email and find here. It's none of these, right? If I do this and this. Vendor, AWS, no. Images, email, no, that's not it. I mean, let's cross check, but that's not it. It doesn't exist? Was I misremembering? There's an email here. Yeah, no, it's not this thing. Email, FooUp, vendor, no, I don't think it's any of those. I mean, maybe this? Vendor, AWS, source data, email. It's definitely not this. It's definitely not this. I'm sure it's not this. I'm completely sure it's not this. Data. Oh my god, there's so many files here. Email. Yeah, it's not this. Of course, it's not this. Okay, hold on. Maybe that's what it is. Ah, found it. It's mail. Oh my god, man. It's not email, it's mail. Full app frontend. Yeah, there you go. Here it is. Here it is. So let's do, let's list. No, that means that we can apply git stash list and list our stash. And custom email inputs apply git stash, oops, apply git stash apply. Yeah, so now I have this thing again. So let's do dear Rick, Lorem, Rick and Morty. Save. Now we're gonna look for Rick and Morty somewhere, and there is no results. There's no results. There is no results. Let's see. This is some kind of timestamp. This is this. What is this supposed to be? There is also so there's runtime, frontend. There is also backend, runtime, mail, 13, 13, 13. Full app common mail, full app common mail. Okay, it's not here. I mean, what is this thing? The characters have changed the upload status. The dataset is now set to data pending. Why are there so little emails? So I have this thing here, okay. Are all of the rest different? Dataset, apparently so. This, apparently looking at the timestamp, this is from like 5 days ago. Just looking at the timestamp, which I imagine is generated automatically, so it's not fake. This is something else. This is from the front end. Then we have this. None of them are from today. None of them are from today. But they have been definitely... Well, I mean, also consider this date. From when is this date? Yeah, so to be honest, it looks like this is not being applied. So here we are defining this. If this is set, then put it here, else put it there, else do something else. And if this is set, use it. If it's not set, just grab the template. But if it's set, since it's set, it's gonna use it. And which means that the email, maybe I just need to dig a little bit into this code, I guess. This is very slow searching files now because there are a lot of files. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make sure that these folders are not excluded. Full. Basically, I'm gonna make sure that this thing is not excluded. And then also this one. Files to include. Files to exclude. Exclude settings are and ignore files are disabled. Now are enabled. Yep. Vendor is excluded, I guess. Yeah, so let's see. Set status to set status to data pending. Content to send. We have this some content, data, email send, okay. This file upload Raspberry, this config sender, author email, data has been sent to dataset has been sent to data pending. Content, and then we have this email send function, I guess. Function email send. Vendor test, exclude also test. And the sender, recipient, subject, and content. What do they do with the content? Wait. Email params, array combines sender. Wait, hold on. Oh, no, wait. Content is used. Wait, how big is this function? The content is used. The only reference to content I see is this one. But these are function. Oh, okay, hold on. What is this thing, man? This is some PHP magic, and I don't understand what. It creates an array by using one array for keys and another for its values. Okay, I see. Function get args. Yeah, okay, I get it. This is some PHP thing that returns the arguments of the function. Returns an array comprising a function's argument list. Yes. Sure. I'm not sure I like this, but whatever. Email params. It's gonna do response, this client request post API endpoint headers from parents handler. Yep. I really don't I really have to assume that all these emails, which maybe should delete. Maybe should delete all these emails. Because this is, first of all, this is not. Fail to delete using the trash, yes. Huh? Wait. Hold on. We have a bunch of emails here. Don't. Ah! Okay. Can you just open containing folder? And I'll delete them by hand. So let's delete all these emails. Let's delete this. Let's delete this email. Why don't you? Why can't I delete these emails, man? Why can't I? What is going on here? Why can't I select this thing? What is this? Full app front end. This is a. This is a normal folder. Why can't I? What is the delete thing? What is going on? Why can't I trash? Hold on. Maybe I don't have permissions to do it as a normal user. Could be. Copy. Can I open a terminal? Yes. Open terminal. Okay, sure. Oh, why don't I have permission to delete these files? Sudo trash everything here. Sudo. Okay. Chmod plus chmod what it was 555, I think, to every file here. Operation not permitted because I need to do sudo. Okay, now I can trash. Oh, wait. So 2, 3, how? Chmod, so 1111 is read everything. Okay, so I need to do 333. There you go. Write and execute. Chmod. How does it work? Write, read and write 6. Ah, it's the other way around. It's the other way around. I see. Execute is 1. Write is 2. Read is 4. Why like this? Well, I don't know. So it's gonna be 6 because it's 4 plus 2. 6, 6, 6. Then now we have this, and then I can trash everything. Yeah. Why? Why can't I trash these files? Access permission denied. Content mail to Why can't I trash these files, man? Delete. There's no why. There's no why wouldn't I be able to delete these files? Just why? This is so strange. And I'd like to ask ChatGPT, because for these things, for these mysterious computer things, it's really useful. But it's broken. It's broken. Okay. I cannot delete these files. That's not a problem. Should not be a problem. I am, for some reason, not being able to send these files, to create these files. Like, they are not being created. Dear Rick. Let's put some lorem ipsum text. Lorem ipsum generator. Ipsum generator. Lipsum. This one, for example. Fine. Let's keep it in the background. Dear Rick. Customized email. Okay. Let's put it in the clipboard. Now I'm returning here, and Dear Rick. There's no such a thing as an email with a Dear Rick thing. Let's go here. Let's switch to another, like this. Save. Go here. The status is that. Let's do this. Data pending. This. Dear Rick. Rick. The email is not being sent. And I can actually see it should be the backend, apparently. Apparently it's the backend or the front end. Sorry, I forgot. It's the front end. It's the front end. So I should see in the front end Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday. Yesterday this run, then yesterday I made this run. So the thing is, why is this not sending the email? Why not? Switch this to private. Save. Let's go here. Do this. Let's do this. Let's click save. And I would expect that the email is sent. I would expect that the email is sent. If I go here, no email has been added here. Maybe I should open this thing just in case. So it's today's 14. Available for review. What if I change it to available for review, like this? Save. Still the same date, so no email was added. At this point, I am not. I'm still lost, because I would expect this email to be sent. Otherwise, how can I check? If I cannot see the emails, how can I check? I think I'm gonna reset this whole thing again. All the Docker containers. What am I missing? Am I missing anything? Am I missing anything? Let's run this. Before I run the script, am I missing anything before I run the script? Let's go to the, go here, let's go to the issues. Foo, I guess. I have this thing, and here I relate a series of steps that I run. This is I don't need any of this. I run this, and I run this thing, and that's it. Yes. So let's run this script again. I run the script. Now I know where the emails are. This is gonna be a reset. Let's close it because I'm gonna access it again. So it should not be running yet. How? There's something wrong. There's something going on here. Hold on. Let's cancel this thing. Let's reset these things. I removed all the containers. There's no way this is gonna work now. Yeah, it doesn't work. Correct. Okay. I'm surprised that it works before even the script finishes running. That's what surprises me. And it surprises me that it keeps the session. How does it keep the session? Because I was logged in still as admin. If I delete the containers and rerun the script, shouldn't I lose the session? Or it's just that the client... Or, okay. Or is it that the client keeps a JWT maybe? That keeps the session, and because it's basically the same user, because the user and password are hard-coded in files in the code, it's the same JWT, and so I'm already authenticated. That may be the case. That may be the case. I'm gonna log out anyway. And I'm gonna wait for the script to finish running. And I'm gonna run the exact same workflow and see what happens. I'm gonna run the workflow step by step of the full feature, FUW feature. Okay, now let's log in. Let's follow all the steps. Go to the admin here and let's click here. Here. Now I think this will send an email. So I gotta check the code, the front. This is the front end. This is the back end. I don't see any. I don't see any email sent. I have. Shouldn't I see the emails here? Some more stuff here. Wait, what is this thing? Debug. Cache. What? This is for tests. This is okay. This is the backend? There are a bunch of tests yesterday. Okay, then this is the front end. Okay, so apparently there is no email sent through this step. It's going back to the application. I need to go here now again. Go here. Click this. Wait, don't click this yet. Git stash list. I need to apply the stash number 2. So I'm gonna apply stash number 2. Should have this file right here with some comments. Perfect. I'm gonna refresh this thing. Now I can click on it. Okay, send. Oh, there you go. Send instructions by email. Instructions send, blah blah blah. Now I hopefully should see a new email in the oh, here, there you go. Here is an email sent. Okay, there's an email sent from the front end. It shows in the backend folder. I'm not sure what's the logic here. I don't know why it's in the backend folder instead of the front end. Huh. Now we go to log out. We log in again. We go to user, and the user goes to the process of uploading datasets. Yes, okay. Click here. Input examples, the cat, this and this. Yep. Upload 3 files. Next. It's whatever text. Site probably doesn't matter. Okay, continue. File uploading complete. Now I don't know if there will be an email in the front end. There is an email. The dataset with DOI as its upload status changed to data available for review. Okay. Okay, so when this process is complete, oops, when the user finishes uploading data files, there is an email here showing up. Now I think I'm logging again as an admin. GDB admin datasets. Here there is this thing. Open. Okay. And that is upload instructions sent. Okay. Status change to assign FTP box. Available for review. I need to review because I usually didn't check this process. I need to review what happens after this. So let's see, the user uploads the data, and then what? If we are accepted, we decide to okay. hold on. Here, open private URL. So I could set wait, submitted, right? I think he marked submitted, but this is not the this is not the part of the workflow that I care about. Just to create something. Okay. So wait a second, hold on. Go.
Right, and what the creator can do is a form for the dataset data. We log out. Oh, and before we log out, changing it to data pending will trigger an email.
Okay, so I need to, first of all, I'm gonna do exactly the same they do in the video. I'm gonna put it to, I'm gonna set it to submitted, then I'm gonna save, and then just, that's it, nothing happens. You can go in again. In the video they click this button, and they set it to this, and then they see this thing, sure, it's whatever. But they also, then, that's the important part, they change it to data pending. And I save. That's the moment of truth. If I don't see an email now, I'm very lost. There you go. The I've changed the value to data set with to data pending. There you go. There you go. So there are more emails now. Available for review, submitted, data pending. Okay. All right. From to GigaDB. Okay, so this is the thing that I need to now change. Okay, the music is too loud apparently. Maybe it's okay if you hear a bit of music in the background, I guess. Now this works. Now let's the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Let's go back to the branch. So what happens if I like switch? Hold on. I think there's a video open here which I want to close. No? Nope. Apparently not. What happens if I switched statuses? Submitted, save. Here I go there. Go here. Status submitted, status data pending. Save. I see more. What happened now? So I see this. Then I see this. So if I change back to submitted, it doesn't change anymore. But if I switch to okay, so well, I didn't do this before. The thing is that now I know how to trigger that for sure. I can switch to submitted and then to data pending again. Okay, so now let's do the magic trick about git stash apply stash 0. I can do it. If I refresh this thing, yes, I just refreshed this thing. Go here, let's go here. Now we have this thing. Let's change to submitted. Submitted. Okay, now let's go to next. And then, dear Rick. And then switch to data pending. Please save. I have to see an email. There you go. There you go. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Finally. Finally, man. I was so confused like half an hour ago. So now I see that this is possible. Let's cross check that this thing is not good. Let's go to submitted, save, next, edit, and now we have this thing here, data pending. What I want is to remove it and see what happens. Save. Now I see another one. Ouch, 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 this is not good. If set is set. Okay, so this is actually set. It just has set to an empty string. It's set to an empty string. PHP condition falsy empty string. What is this, man? What is this giant, just a bunch of pages to have like number of letters they can almost count. So okay, so if this is an empty string, it's gonna be falsy. How is the end in PHP? Okay, sure, yeah, why not? Is this double ampersand valid for for PHP and logical operators? Hello, yes, and so it's set and it's not an empty string. Let's try again. So we do submitted, save, go back, remove this thing, and then data pending. Save. So we actually see another email with the content. Okay. Okay, so this kind of works. Now, how do I want the user experience to be? How do I want the user experience to be here? This only works if they select data pending. For now, maybe they will want it for another option. Who knows? I am in Chiang Mai, Thailand. There are lots of foreigners here. I see they posted a dinner. I check where the dinner is. And of course, I'll remind you again, we are in Thailand. Where do they go for dinner? Mexican restaurant. It's a Mexican dinner, Mexican restaurant in Thailand. Why? 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 What's the previous dinner? Oh, it was a burger place, yes. French fries and burger like like a McDonald's style. Yep. Yeah, because of course, I mean we are in Thailand. What are we gonna do? Eat Thai food? Please, come on. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Okay, so what's the nice user experience for that? It should be intuitive and easy. It would keep a nice flow and so on. So and this only happens when we use data pending. So let's brainstorm a little bit. Or rather, I actually have this thing. I figured out yesterday that you can detach windows from VS Code, and I'm at a loss of words. Loss for words. This is my VS Code window. I noticed yesterday you can do this. And this. What happened with this? And this. Up. Okay, that's good. I like it. So you can. That's really good. Let's see what's the user experience. What's the nice user experience here? Let's see the options. Option A, when user selects data pending, welcome to the streaming. Anonymous viewer, if you want to give me ideas, feel free. When user selects data pending from the dropdown, then the text area to customize email is displayed. Displayed. Okay. This is option A. Do I like it? Not really, because I don't like this. I don't like things to pop in and out depending on what is selected. It's confusing. From a user perspective, it's confusing. I mean, it's an option. It's not terrible, but it's confusing. It's confusing because there are hidden things and you don't know what you have to click to show stuff. In this case, I guess because the admin is gonna select the data pending anyway, they could see it when they need it. That's the advantage. Confusing but timely. That's the positive. Confusing but timely. Option B, just have the text area always visible to customize email. Or maybe disabled or something like that. I don't like it because it's not timely. They only need to see that really when selecting data pending. It's only related to selected select data pending. And the other thing is that this text area obviously doesn't fit in this space. It should be shrinked in space. Should be styled to be narrower, but then it's gonna be really narrow and it's not nice. So showing it here is not nice. Show right below upload status input, not enough space, but located in relevant position, relevant location. This is not really options. This is like positioning. And then you could show it like this. Show full width below. Show full width below. Yeah, I understand. Far from where it's relevant. Okay. And then the other option would be to show input as a dialog when clicking save button. Would be another option. So I click here, I see a dialog opening. Okay, so this is the con of this is that it's more complicated technically, but does not bloat form, and no problems with space, but I don't like dialogues, and I don't like dialogues because in terms of usability they kind of suck. Okay, so So what am I gonna do? That's the question. What option do I like more? Another question would be, what similar approaches does this page use in other places? That would be another legit question. Hey, Ju, thank you. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm not sure what I like more. What is easier, I know for sure. I don't want to do something that is technically unnecessarily complicated, which would be like clicking here and a model opens up. But yeah, okay, to be honest, usability comes first. User experience comes first. Another thing I could do is show maybe. What about showing yeah, all the options I thought about so far have things that I don't like. I feel like this because this is belongs to the data pending. So okay, so in terms of usability, when you think about form usability, things seem to work toward more steps, less fields. If you think about paper form, for example, here. Let's see if they have an example of paper form. Try demo. Do they have a demo? Try maybe. You're gonna ask me to log in. Sure. Yeah. Whatever. I don't care. Yeah. So this is an example of form. There is a what's the progress bar on the top, and you are presented with one field at a time, which maybe it's a bit overkill, but that's where this form thing moves toward. If there is a very complicated form, it goes toward multiple steps. Each step shows an easy one input or multiple inputs, rather than a big bloated form like this. But hey, we have a big bloated form, so maybe I should just extend this big bloated form with one more input. Yeah. Because that's what we have in this site. And also this is an admin panel, and it's different. It's different. This is a dashboard, an admin panel, admin form is different. People here use it for work. They are more invested. They are more basically, like, in some cases, forced to use this. They don't have another option. They are not a. It has no competition. Basically, they are not a customer in this regard. If a customer finds a form annoying, they can go to another service which is better. In here, this tool is used for some editors to enter data. So the user experience is still important, of course. It's still important, but it's not so important. So, and to be honest, there are some fields here, like these image fields, are displayed or hidden depending on the state of the form. So they already do this. It's just that this text area does not really fit in this space. There's not enough space here. If I can shrink it, I can go here and okay, no, here. I can go here and remove this span. Yeah, basically, then it shrinks, but still not small enough because we have this crappy label here, which is way too large, and it's too narrow. Also, it's not nice to have this small space for typing the content of an email. This is different. This is something different. If I could just make it larger, the thing is that it's not gonna look good if I make it larger. You know what? Maybe I can put it here. Right? Data size, title, description, keywords. I guess that's the easiest option. That's the least complicated option, to just put the input here. It's gonna fit well and all. Yeah, and show it only if this upload status is set to pending, data pending. I'm gonna do that, and then the rest is just very easy. That's a very easy approach. It's almost implemented already. So I'm gonna do that. Because, I mean, it's nice if it's here, right under the... right under where it needs to be. But it just doesn't fit here. It doesn't fit. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here, right? And then I will fine-tune the logic, because then oh, that's gonna be tricky, man. That's gonna be tricky. I have to think about what the admins are gonna do with this, because what are they gonna do? They're gonna say they're gonna say, oh, I need to update this document to data pending. So they're gonna go here, they're gonna go here, they're gonna click here. It's already set. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna click here, and then they're gonna save. And that's it. And they are not gonna see this new... they are not gonna see this input. They're gonna miss the input. So that's important. They should not miss the input, because that's not something that they can just go and revert like any other field. That's exactly, that's not a property of the data set. That's the email that the user is going to receive. So yeah, so okay, so this should not be here actually. Here what we have is dataset properties. This is not one, so this must be out. And that's why the suitable place to be for that to be is actually when you click on save. You see a dialog asking the editor to confirm the email body. That's actually that's better. That's better, because otherwise they're gonna miss it. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so now let's figure out how to do it. So what I want to do, let's write some steps here. So let's write some. Oops. Let's write some steps. Let's write some steps. What option do I like more? Dialog. Tasks. tasks or specs or whatever. When editor or admin selects data pending, and then click save, dialog opens up to edit the email body. Open the email body. So they update the email body, and then there's a cancel button, obviously, and then there is a like submit button. So click submit button. Status is updated, and so form is updated, form is submitted. Yeah, form is submitted, that's it. And email is sent by backend. Okay, so let's do that. This should be, well, I don't know if it's gonna be easy. Let's see. Yeah, so there is one condition, which is this is the form, and this is gonna be I need to access the property of the form error. This is the upload status, get available status, drop down list, model upload status disabled, I guess. Yeah, this is the value. Yeah, right, this is the value. So I'm gonna have to find the save button. And then there's a bunch of buttons here also. This is the tabulation here is a mess. I'm gonna create a button. Wait, there is a, what is this? There is a conditional if hidden. Okay, let's print lorem here. Yeah, so it's here. I'm gonna add a button. Print status button, and then on click this is gonna console.log php echo this, and I need to wrap it in I need to wrap it in quotes. Okay, to save. And let's take a look at the console. Okay, let's click the button. Oh, whoa. What is what? Well, it's printing the status, which is good, but this is not what I wanted to do. Button on click. Oh my god. No, this is not how it works. I'm using React here. This is not React. This is not React. This is not React. Let's go to the bottom of the file. Let's put this in one side, and then let's same file on the other side. Let's go to the bottom. I see there is a script here. Okay, sure, fair enough. Let's make a function log status. Hold on, it's gonna Copilot is telling me what to do. Sure, okay. Function log status, and then in the button on click. Damn, it's just such a long time since I don't use this. Is it like this? This is like this, right? Okay, hold on. Button MDN. So it's a button element, button on attributes on click. Does ChatGPT work already? Because I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT or JS HTML button on click. On click event. On click my okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it's this, right? Yeah, that wait, what happened here? Oh. Yeah. I forgot because we are inside a form. Yeah, we are inside a form. I don't know. There is a end form somewhere. But since we are inside a form, we have to specify that this is a button of type button. Otherwise, it will be submitting the form by default. So we refresh this thing. We click on this button, and then we get. Hold on. Here, we click on the button. Yeah. It prints data pending. I want to check something else. I want to check what happens actually if I change the if I change the status to, for example, submitted, and I click this. Oh yeah, okay, so that's not the thing that I want to check, right? I want to check the current status of the form, the current value. And thing is that I don't know how, because we are here in PHP. What if I just copy all this thing? Paste it here. How can I get the current value of an input? Not the initial value, but the current one after user edits in the above form. How? Tell me how. Okay, let's copy this because ChatGPT is not working well. Let's see if it works. Oh, now it works. Huh. Just getting the value of the element, the current value. That makes sense. Let's copy this thing. Let's put it in the in here, and I need to get the ID of this or whatever. Inspect, select ID. ID dataset upload status. Sure. This value. So it's really gonna be the current upload status. So if I actually refresh this thing and go here, so first of all, clicking here, it's gonna print the current status, obviously. I mean, but you can see you can already see it's working. And it's gonna print the submitted. Yeah, that's how I see. Because I just don't know how, I don't quite know how PHP works behind the scenes. I thought the updated value would be inside the model. Good lord, it's 12, man. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna leave it here for today. It's 12 in the night. I'm gonna leave it here. Yep, that's enough. Let's write down what I'm gonna do tomorrow morning when I continue. Yep, let's write it down. Well, I mean, I basically have here. I have it here. Continue with 1618. Yes. And then I'm gonna fill the timesheet. Weekly timesheet, yes. We're working on this, and then we have been working on this 161 thing here. 3 hours more. Yep. Yep. Okay. Leaving here. Good night.